As many of you know, I won the vintage washer from Lorain Furniture.
Okay, the first in line is JK18. Congratulations, and you did right. I will pick this up very cleverly as well, too. So, congratulations, JK. You are the first in line to get this beautiful 1981 Whirlpool belt drive washer.
And I'm sure you're all chomping at the bit to know, when are you getting it? And when am I going to see a wash day with it? And can you do the delicate cycle? Can you wash your underwear? Can you use such and such detergent? Well, it's happening, but I'm not going to be doing the wash-ins. That's right, folks. I'm not actually accepting the machine. I'm accepting it. I'm taking it, but it's not going here. I don't have room for it. I'm not going to make room in the garage. I certainly don't need any machines downstairs here, nor do I have any room for it. So I called Eugene, and I spoke to him, and I explained the situation. There is somebody in my life who came about really more or less as a surprise and made some of my dreams come true. So I figure that I would repay the favor. As you know, I have an alliance with Lexmark's 567, and we've become good friends over the years. He contacted me one day out of the blue. I did a Martin Luther King and said, I have a dream, and that's that I wanted to put air conditioning in the garage. And he said, I'll fly out from Michigan, and I'll cut a hole in the side of your garage, and we'll install it. And we'll run the electrical and do the whole thing. So he came and did that. We did so many other odds and ends, fixed up all kinds of other stuff, and just got through replacing my garbage disposal, fixed the loose faucet. That's been going 4 or 5 years. I just never got around to the project, and this was the right time when he was here for my birthday. So we got that done, and I have videos on those things. So I'm giving the machine to Lexmark's 567. Now, don't get butthurt. I know that Steve Gordon was the second winner. Steve, I apologize, but I did contact Eugene, and I said that I would accept it. And I told him that I want to give it to a friend of mine, and it just so happened to work out that Lexmark's 567 was picked as the third winner. So it just happened to work out like that. Nobody could have guessed that that would have ever happened. It was just pure chance. And I'm making a gift of that machine to him. I know he entered the first contest, the one that Spats and Harley won, and didn't win that one. And now this one, and I got picked and he got picked, and I'm going to repay the favor. You know, I never paid him for any work that he did. I fed him anything he wanted. I gave him all the alcohol he wanted to drink, and that was that. Gave him anything he asked for, except for any kind of money. And this is the way that I'm going to pay him back, as far as that goes. There was some other stuff. I mean, you know, I sent him a couple of bucks during Christmas time and stuff, but that's neither here nor there. That's really it. You know, he's gotten me all kinds of birthday gifts and crazy stuff like that. So, you know, and some thoughtful things as well, like DE for the pool, which I really needed this year. So, like I said, I am accepting the machine, and I'm giving it to a friend of mine. And Eugene was perfectly okay with this. I want to stress, he said, it's your machine, free and clear. You're free to do anything you want with it. I could have dropped it off of a 50-story building and smashed it. I never would do that, but I had the option to do it. I could do anything I wanted to, and I chose to give it away, and that's exactly what I'm doing. That's really the deal. So you will not be seeing any wash day wash-ins with that machine on this channel, but you will be seeing them eventually on Lexmark's 567's channel. So what I need you to do is go over to his channel right now, put the link in the prescription, so go down there, click on the link, go to his channel, and subscribe. And make sure you turn on notifications with the bell, so that way you'll be sure to know when he uploads a video. When this is happening, I don't know. Just got picked for it. I won the machine. We have to work out shipping, or if he's picking it up or anything like that. We're working all out the details. Then he has to get it there, figure out where he wants to put it, hook it all up, and have time. I mean, the guy works all week also, so, you gotta, life gets in the way, basically. So you will be seeing some washes with that machine over there. And maybe one day, I'll be invited out there and we can have a wash day wash-in together there. Who knows? The future is bright. You will be seeing the machine. I'm very happy I won. I do want to thank Eugene and Lorain Furniture for holding this drawing, and I'm very happy that I won, so thank you, Eugene. And by the way, Eugene was an absolute pleasure to deal with on the phone. He wanted to send a message on YouTube, or that's all going away. A comment, nah. I said, this is more important than that. I'm going to call the store. And that's what I did. I looked up the number and I gave him a call. And I said, it's me. I won. I'm contacting you. He says, it's great to hear from you. And we worked out some preliminary details, and I'm going to settle up the rest with Lexmarks and figure out what's going on. And eventually you will be seeing those videos there on his channel. So please go over there and subscribe and turn on notifications for Lexmarks 567, so you'll be sure not to miss that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.